Welcome! In this video, we will cover how a Field Central user would manage and send multi-bid estimates. Once you have created a multi-bid estimate, you can send, track, and manage the opportunity and any estimates attached. You can print or send the proposals, see if the customer has viewed and responded to your proposal, track which estimates they selected, and more. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the Estimates and Opportunities page via the main menu, selecting Sales and Estimates, and then Estimates and Opportunities. Use the filter parameters on the left-hand side of the page to generate either a list of estimates or opportunities, or locate a singular one. Once a multi-bid estimate has been located, the user can hover over the $ View Estimate icon to quickly preview the estimates included in the multi-bid. Click on any of these estimates to open additional estimate details. Then select Estimates from the left-hand side of the page. The user will be able to review all linked estimates for the opportunity. The estimate currently being viewed will be highlighted in green. Within the Actions column, the user has several options to manage the included estimates or proposals. The $ View Estimate is to review all estimate information, and the user has the ability to make any necessary changes to the selected estimate. Icon, View Estimate Summary. Review the work to-dos and rates within the estimate, but users are not able to make any adjustments from the summary view. Pause symbol. Make inactive. If selected, the estimate will not be sent in communication to the customer. Circle. Make preferred estimate. If selected, the estimate will be highlighted in the communication to the customer. If either Make Inactive or Make Preferred Estimate are selected, the linked estimates will update as shown. In addition, the user is provided the option to add an additional estimate to the opportunity by utilizing the green plus button, Add New Estimate Opportunity. When the user is ready to distribute the multi-bid package, they will select if they would like to email or print. By selecting either of the options, only the active linked estimates will be included in the customer communication. For this example, we will utilize the email functionality. When the user selects to email, they will be provided a preview or confirmation window where they will confirm the contact information and email subject line. The user will then click Send when they are ready. Once the multi-bid email has been sent, the email column within the Estimates and Opportunities log will update to reflect this. Otherwise, the column will show Not Sent. Mass distribution is also available for multi-bid estimates. Once the user has narrowed down their log of estimates, they will select one of the bulk estimate actions. For those that have Field Central Connect, the user can click the envelope icon to mass email. A window will open to preview the email where the user will confirm which email template to use. In addition, the user can confirm which email address to send the communication from and the desired subject line before clicking Mass Send. The opportunity contact will receive an estimate email where they will be provided attachments for each active estimate or proposal included in the multi-bid. When they are ready to make their selection, the customer will click Reply to Estimate button. The customer will be directed to the approval page to make their selection. Whichever estimate was identified as the preferred estimate will be the default when the customer clicks to reply, but they can adjust if they would prefer another estimate. Once the customer makes their selection and clicks Approve Estimate, they will receive the following confirmation message. Now that the client has approved an estimate, the estimate is automatically converted to a contract within Field Central. From here, the contract can be further managed within the Contracts section. Ready to give it a go? Be sure to set up multi-bid estimates and begin utilizing this season. This feature will not only provide your customers with a delightful estimate approval process, but save your team time and energy.